We're back here with another video. Um, Today we're playing. I think it's like a type of like horror game where you look up, where you go to storage containers, and there could be monsters. There could be different things in there. But um, but anyways, pretty much there's like armor, just hunger. There's food. There's basically water and just different resources in there, and we were just gonna see how it's gonna go. And this is my first container, so let's go to it. What do I do? Am I doing anything wrong? I can't open that because it's locked? Oh, it makes sense. Let's try about this one. Oh, no! Get off of me! Mom! Ah! Bro, why is that the first one, too? Why is that the damn first one? No, I don't want to go near the locks now. So I have no locks. So I have no locks. Ooh! Nope, fuck this. Oh! What am I supposed to do? Do I beat her? Yeah, come back here, bitch! Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you! Yeah, get clapped, get clapped! Get clapped, bitch! Get clapped! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, get smoked! Oh! Oh, get clapped! Get smoked, boy! It's my property now, boy! What am I supposed to do? I don't know. Ooh! Ooh, I can buy a gun. I'm gonna shoot up these bitches if I do. So I'd rather not. Do you think I could beat up that shark? There's that shark over there. I wonder if I could beat him up. So, I have a friend in here. They're texting me, and they're wondering where I am in my location. So, can I do anything? Nope, I can't do anything. Uh, See if I can talk to him. Yo, you hear me? You hear me? I don't know if you can hear me. I got $200. Where is it? I can hear you now. Where is it? Turn your mic. I can't hear you anymore. Is that mic thing on your keyboard flat? If it's on, like you need to turn off the light. If the light's on, that means it's off. You also should. Now your mic is down off now. You gotta talk pretty loud in it for the computer to hear it. It did. It did work. Turn it on. Try it again. Try to put it on again. That's weird. But I don't. Alright, well, man. Do you want to call me? Okay. Do you want to call me? Do you want to call me and not? Do you? Okay. I guess I'll call you then. What the heck is this? Where do we go? Oh, nope, fuck this. Nope. What do we do? How do we stop the water? How do we stop the water? Oh, I gotta press a button. Red button or blue button? I'm at minus 206, minus 9. Or, it's over. I'm dead. Bro, I can't deploy, I don't have my fist. There it goes. I'm at, since I respawned, where are you? There's a hiding spot. Yeah, somewhere around there. Right now I'm at minus 6 and 41. 570, 78. I'm at 570, 43. Yeah, you're like close to me and I don't know where you are though, it's then. There's like an exit area where it goes to like a brick area. Yeah. And you can interact. Like there's AI people in there. No. Right now my X582 Z37. I got a book. Where are you? X what? 570? And then X what? It's saying you're behind like this brick area. Bro, it's weird because it are you minus or plus? Yeah, mine are both positive and I'm standing where you are. Well, that says multiple levels. I'm so confused right now. I don't know. I'm at X687 minus, and I'm at Z minus 1. I found armor pad. X690 or Z plus 1. It's like in a brick area. It's like a shop. I don't know. That's where I am. There's an elevator where I am. And it just closed. It just closed. Where? Oh. I think I'm on my floor. I don't know. Yeah. They're like a whitish grid color. Yeah, like a whitish grayish like grid color. I got a screwdriver. Oh, the power just went out. I don't know. Yeah, me too. I don't like that at all. I heard that, and now I'm literally up on top of a shelf because I don't want to move. How do I? I don't think we can get the power on. I think we do. I have to wait. Yeah, I might do the same.
Asshole.
I think I heard. I heard that. I only heard it was a slash on my screen. I hear like a monster or something. Oh, I see it. It's literally at me. It's where I am. And right now I'm where spikes are.
Two of them.
I got a pickaxe. I don't know what the books do. What do books do? Kind of funny that it says my location is Chicago, U.S. I don't know. I don't know if it can. I don't think you can turn it on. Yeah. I don't know. It scared me. It was the spikes. I don't know how to get by them. I might be cooked here for a minute. You're too fast.
Yes, but they also slow you down.
Oh, when they hit you? Ah. I also got a screwdriver. I don't know. And it's kind of messed up because I can't move stuff around. What?
You claim the unit, you think that make it like.
How do you claim a unit? Oh.
There's an unit.
I
I think it's only for ones that are like hiding spots or something. I don't know.
think it's like hard to find them though too.
Yeah.
Does it show you where your house is? That's nice. I don't think the light's gonna go on anytime soon. I hope it does too. I just don't want to go out there. I just don't want to go out there.
Yeah, you do.
I was gonna eat Takis, but the thing is, I don't got that Vaseline.
I look it up. It says that the lights stay up during the blackout even for 5 minutes.
We gotta wait for 5 minutes.
Wait. Clock?
I don't know.
Because it says that there's it says that the blackout triggers around 1900 on your in-game personal clock, which is going back to your clock.
Oh, there it goes. Right when you said in-game clock, it just went up.
Yeah, I want to see if there is any in-game clock. Hold on.
I'm still at the area, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, for me, I have to press C to claim storage unit.
Let's see.
Yeah, I just claimed my base. Just claimed it.
What's your credit again?
63711.
Negative or positive?
Or X positive 608. Z 15 negative.
too deep.
Yeah. And I claimed a base here. It's next to like the shop, so okay. Why'd you go down there?
I'm still thinking if I should get Edward Counties because I want to see if the basement are the ones that the one you're looking at. Okay, note this up. You want to go back in the basement
Why?
because the first thing I opened with a fucking skeleton and a fucking sword.
Oh my gosh, that meme?
No, it was like a fucking Dutchman or fish came lunging at me.
It's funny that you says you can customize your thing even though you have screen lock on. Ooh, I got gentleman door. Who's water? Oh, medkit. Oh, he's scared the f out of me. It's kind of funny that they make this like school bathrooms where they just pee in one little area and then pee right next to the stall and there's crap all over the area. Yeah, I know. That's my house. You know. Oh! Oh! Hey! 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 Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I don't like it! Stop touching me! Stop touching me! Yeah, I clocked the grandma one time. Try to juke him. The dude is gone. The dude is gone, so I can clock you. Clock the grandma. Since I stole her frying pan, and I'm using it against her. Help, help, help. I just got clocked. I got clocked over the head with her frying pan. I got a screwdriver. I don't know if a screwdriver is a weapon, though. Did you get her? Did you get her? That's crazy. What the hell? Wait, hold on. I wanna use this as the thumbnail. Alright, got it. Oh, no. No? Alright, come here. Follow me, follow me. Turn here, turn here, turn here. Come on. He's gone? Bro! Alright. Where? I don't think so. Because the door's closed. He's literally right there. Ouch. I got him. He caught. I don't know. I'm almost dead. I got a frying pan. I got a frying pan, but I got to heal up to be able to use it.
I'm gonna see. So the blackout 1900.
Huh. Nope. Oh, no, you. Ouch. Ouch. I'm clocked. I'm dead. See if the priest can work against the gorilla. Yep. He should probably run. Oh, motherfucker! It's going after his cousin! Alright.
I hope there's some endurance. Two ants will go around.
That's funny.
Except one of them really a baseball bat.
What? What? No, I got a fat ass gorilla behind me.
Funny.
Hey, I don't got any bananas. I don't got any bananas. I know I eat them and all, but I don't got any more. Fuck no. That we're cooked. Hey, look, I got a pizza. Pizza man. I did in the hallway. I did in the hallway. Oh well. Cock him. Oh, I see you. You missed.
No.
Got him. How do I drop stuff? I don't think I can drop stuff, do you think? That's kind of stupid. Oh.
Oh! Why is this bastard me? I think it's just red too.
Yeah, I think it did.
Okay.
Okay. He blocked me too.
Oh, I get slotted.
You can?
Yeah, I misclick Q and it's slot. I can slot. Fuck this! shoot me, please. Oh, sound like a fucking aimbot. Oh, okay, I got the gentleman in the back.
Oh, we're fucked, Nacho, we're fucked. Run, there's samurai. Yeah, you probably should dip.
In the bathroom.
Banana Man, what the fuck? That's fucking Banana Man that's chasing me. Paintings? Oh my god, that's where I was. By the way, they did like really good hit, by the way. I got a gun shop. Oh, I got a shark. I'm GG. Oh. Jump him. There we go, jump him. Bitch. Why don't it's open?
Yeah.
No, I'm good. Oh. Can we, sell them?
No.
Oh. Like pizza place.
No.
Oh! Oh!
Bro, these are all words. Later. What are you doing, Nick? Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, you made it worse!
Yeah, I'm being chased by a shark. Oh my god! By the way, look down the hole. There's another shark down the hole.
Bro, what have you done?
You can't follow away when I do what I do.
I don't know.
Aliens only. The other guys are like gone.
Yeah, one dude chased me then. That means I could take him out. No, there's a samurai chasing me and I just took him out. I assume I do that with a machete. A katana. Yeah, I just took him out. Hold on. I'm homeless, dude. I know. Pretend you are. Just go in one.
We can buy food and stuff. It's like their own little room.
Yeah, I'm gambling.
No?
It's just like real gambling.
Yeah, I guess so. I think I'd run though.
What? Bitch, this is my gambling, bitch. Jump him, jump him, jump him, jump him. Bro got jumped by fucking two dudes in an alleyway. Bitch, we just jumped his ass.
You bitch!
What? What?
Don't go out there.
Why?
Oh,
Why? Well, look what? No, what's out there? What's out there? What's out there? Nope. Nope.
fuck.
He can! He can! Yep, you're right. I'm just gonna keep gambling. Damn.
Man versus Fist. Who's gonna win? Oh, by the way, these doors that are left behind, they both open at like a certain time.
Oh.
I don't know why.
I might take on the shark. I don't know. I might kill the shark.
It's pretty crazy.
Shark is pretty low, so I might just take out the shark.
You get money.
I just took it out, by the way. By the way, I got 2 baseball bats. I almost got a jackpot. I got 2 7s. I don't know one way to find out. I got 2 7s. I almost got it. Imagine getting it the first time. Might as well go buy one right now.
Yep.
They probably put a random number generator in here. I got 2 7s again. Bro, this making a video right now, and it's literally out 40 minutes long. Just already. Just me gambling, pretty much. Hey, I got 776. That's crazy. I got 877. I got 199.
Yeah, keep getting like 170.
I'm already at 1,515.
One.
In real life, you should not be doing this. It's not even like a minute later, you're gonna be broke. Yeah, real life right now, but right now, not really. But you should not gamble at all. It's just a waste of your time. Yo. Guys, you can if you're responsible. You know what I mean, Nacho? 11 X and Z minus 167. 67. Jump him, jump him, jump him! Jump him in the alleyway! Bitch. Thanks for the extra casino money, bitch. Right? What do you mean? I can't. I want to do this. Shark? No, it's a shark? Oh, yes it is. I found that you can let him sit down. When you let him sit down, you can actually jump him. No, yeah, he can't get out at all. Yeah, I killed him.
Yeah, like 2.
Imagine, right when you leave, I got a jackpot.
600.
600 right now?
Yeah, literally, this is store guy right there.
I want to do this, but I know it's a waste of time. So for the revolver, you have to do light ammo. I'm assuming.
What?
Yeah. Why? Oh. Piano?
Yeah.
The heck? I got 2 katanas. Well, at least I got it. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Give me $1.
Yeah, no.
I need a katana that I need to get away. Give away. What the hell?
No.
No. I got a katana though. Bring him towards me. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. Bring the naked man to me. Yeah, I know. I hit him with a katana multiple times. I think it does like slow damage to you. I should probably not open this up. Dude, you're low. That looks almost. I can't. I don't got any ammo. Yeah, I hit him with a katana multiple times. Yeah, I literally told you.
Medium. Here.
Got one going up here. Huh? No, it's like on the next level. It's far as hell. Yeah, we're cooked. Yeah, but you gotta wait.
Look up how this my nose for me.
Also look up see if you can find a seller that you can sell your stuff off to. How do you sell your stuff? Like you need to like how do we sell my stuff? The weapons. Like because
Your weapons.
yeah, but what can you because I got 2 baseball bats and 2 katanas. I want to keep one of each. Okay. I also got a knife from that dude. From that naked dude. Yeah, but I'm assuming he probably used his other knife too. Well, guys, I'm gonna end it here, and hope you guys have a great one. Bye.